Today we will discuss about what is a class and object in object-oriented programming technique. Class is a building block of C++ that leads to object-oriented programming is a class. It is one of the user-defined data type in class which hold its own data member and member function which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. A class is like a blueprint for an object. For example, consider a car. There are many cars with a different name and brand, but all of them will share some common properties and method. Here properties like all of them will have 4 wheels, speed limit, mileage range, etc. Here car is a class and the wheel, speed limit, mileage and the properties. A class is a user-defined data type which has data members and data function. Data members are the data variable and data functions are functions used to manipulate these variables and together these data members. And member function define the properties and behavior of the object in a class. In above example of class car, the data members will be speed limit, mileage, and member function can be apply brakes, increase the speed, etc. What is an object? An object is an instance of a class. When class is defined, no memory is allocated, but it is initiated. That is, an object is created, memory is allocated. Defining class and declaring the object. A class is defined in C++ using keyword class followed by the name of the class. The body of the class is defined inside the curly bracket and determined by the semicolon at the end. In the sample coding, class name, here class is a keyword, class name is user defined type and open access specifier. It is a syntax of class. Access specifier means can be private or public or protected. Any one access specifier we have to be used. This is a data member. Data member, in the data member we have to be used variable to be used, and member function. Member function means method to access data members, and finally close class end with a semicolon. Declaring the object. When a class is defined, only a specification for the object is defined. No memory or storage is allocated. To use a data and access the function defined in a class, you need to create an object. It is a syntax for object, class name, object name, accessing a data member and data function. The data member and data function of a class can be accessed using the dot operator with the object. For example, if the name object is obj and you want to access the member function with the name print name function, then you will be write obj dot print name. Accessing data member. The public data member are also accessed in the same way, given how the private data member are not allowed to be accessed directly by the object. Accessing a data member depends solely on the access control of the data. The access control is given by the access modifier in C++. There are 3 access specifier modifier. One is public, second one is private, and third one is protector. It is one of the sample program accessing of data members C++ program. It is where class name will be geeks, access specifier will be public, data member will be Greek name, member function will be print the name. We should print the Greek name. So here we have to be declare an object of class name Greek object 1. With the object 1 we create a Greek name equal to abh abhi. In that accessing object one.print means this name will be declared. We can here with the help of operator, assignment operator, we can directly assign the value. We can give whatever value, thus this will be print in this particular output. In member function in a class, there are two ways to define a member function in a class. One is a inside class function and another is a outside class function. To define a member function, outside class definition, we have used to scope resolution operator along with the class name and function name. Here I have an example for member functions. Here we have to be given string Greek name and integer equal to id. We have to be print the name and we have to be print the id. So here we have to be create object Greek equal to object 1, object 1 equal to Greek name, object id equal to 50. So we have to be printed mean this value will either Greek name and id will be given. Note that all the member function defined inside class definition are to be inline, but you can also make a non-class function inline by using the keyword inline with them. And note, declaring a friend function, it is a way to private access a non-member functions. It is another example to declaring a member function in class and object.